Soothing garlic tea recipe for a sore throat. Ingredients: 400 ml water, 2 garlic cloves, cut in half, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. Directions: in a saucepan, bring 400 ml of water and the 2 cloves of garlic to a boil. Turn off the heat when the water boils, and add 1/4 cup of the honey and 1/4 cup of the fresh lemon juice. Strain. Sip half cup, warm, 3 times a day. Refrigerate extra to use the next day. Garlic tea health benefits. There is almost no ailment that garlic hasn't been credited with curing or relieving. Some, but not all garlic benefits are supported by scientific evidence. Just some of the rumored benefits of garlic include: improves immune health, prevents and treats cancer, weight loss, boosts energy, fight infections, reduce cholesterol, lower blood pressure, disinfect wounds, treat vaginal yeast infections, relief from mouth ulcers, improves exercise performance, treats stomach cancers, treatment for atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, wards off mosquitoes. So what does the scientific evidence say about garlic's benefits? According to the University of Oregon, Linus Pauling Institute, garlic is a good source of organosulfur compounds, including a linase, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Organosulfur compounds are thought to provide certain health benefits. Laboratory studies have shown that raw garlic can kill bacteria, reduce blood lipid levels, slow blood clotting, and potentially reduce blood pressure. Some studies have also shown that garlic may be able to stimulate the immune system and decrease tumor growth in some cancers. But research investigating garlic's cancer-preventing power have provided mixed results. In lab studies, raw garlic has been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, antiparasitic, and antifungal qualities. Studies investigating its power to lower blood pressure and reduce your risk for heart disease have also provided mixed results. It is important to remember that drinking garlic tea may not provide the same benefits as consuming raw garlic. Many studies that support the benefits of garlic investigated its benefits using raw garlic, garlic oil, or garlic powder. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.